Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I appreciate you being here. And so I've had a lot of fun doing lots of holiday shopping, and there's been some really good sales this year. And I can't resist some of them. And one of my favorite makeup brands is Tarte. So I can't even remember what I got. But anyway, I got a bag from Tarte, and here we go. So like I said, I can't really remember what's in here, so I'm kind of excited to open it together. Let's see what we got. So anyway, let's just get to it. Okay friends, thank you for being here. If you'd like to subscribe, help me get to 1,000. I'm getting close, so help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Hit the like button, follow me, do those things to support my channel if you wish. And I so appreciate that. We've got all the stuff here in, one thing with Tarte too is they give you coupons too whenever you buy 20% off. So I really, once again, I really like Tarte. I'm never disappointed with anything I get. So let's see what's in here. They gave me a sample of Amazonian Clay 16-hour full coverage foundation. I'm not sure if I've used, as much as I love Tarte, I'm not sure I've used their foundation. You know, I'm really the Estee Lauder girl here, so when it comes to foundation. But looks like I've got some palettes. Okay, where do we start? Okay, so Play to Go is the first item. This looks like a palette. It looks like it might be a face palette, a 3-color face palette. Now, all I know, I'm going to see if the receipt's in here. I didn't pull it up. So I'm just, I'll just put prices up on the screen here for these items. So I think everything I got was like under $20. So let's see. This is just a face palette. So it's got the bronzer. It's kind of a light, or, well, I don't know if that's considered a blush or not. Oh. It's kind of just a shimmer. Now that looks like a, okay, I don't know if you can see it. We've got the bronzer, blush, and highlighter, but I'm not sure this is considered a blush. This is just a, it's kind of a, it's a real peach. Anyway, I don't normally wear that color, but it's a pretty palette. So I think I love that highlighter. Love it. And the bronzer is pretty good too. So anyway, there's our first product. The next product we have here is an eyeshadow palette. And let's see what we got here. This is called the Frosted palette. So it's Sweet Tart. I love that. And let's open it up. Sometimes things are kind of hard to open, or I just don't want to lose a nail on them, I guess, is part of my problem. But okay. So this is it's definitely my color range. It's the pinky mauves. Love it. Love that. I don't know if we can get a good view of it. Anyway. So this is really a fun palette. I will definitely use this. There's some of the colors. Let's see what we got here. This one is darker. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. lighter. So anyway, fun palette. I now own it. My fingers are all over in it. So I like that. And the next thing I have here is another palette that I couldn't resist because it was in my color range. It's a smaller palette like this. And this one's called the Tartelette To Go. So it's considered smaller, easier to take. And it has everything you need. It's got the 6 colors, all in my color range. So it's a little bit fatter palette. See that? It's kind of got, but it's really pretty. It doesn't say anything on it. It's just, ooh, I like it. It has a magnetic. Okay, this is really fun. Look at that. Okay. That is beautiful. That is beautiful eye look right there. So anyway, that is my third thing I got. And the fourth thing I have here is, this one is the Tarte. This is it's called Clay Play, and it is a full face palette, eye palette, whatever. And that's what it looks like right there. Their packaging is so nice. It just feels really like rich and nice and whatever. So this right here is just real neutral. Very pretty though. It's got bronze blush highlighter on the bottom, and then it's got 3 different eye looks. Different color ranges there. So very nice palette. I think this might have been like $20, $24. I don't know. I just thought it was a really good buy. So I like that. And then I got, I don't know if this was a bonus or what, or if I bought them. This is Correct, and this is their Shape Tape, which I love. Shape Tape is like it's their holy grail product, and it's so wonderful. If you don't know what it is, you need to go look it up and check it out, because everyone needs some Shape Tape in their life. I love concealers, and I've used a bunch of different kinds, but I've actually gone back to using the Shape Tape, and I just really like it. So that's what I have on today. And there's 3 in here. So they're just small ones, but I think this is a kit you can buy, but the colors are all good color range for me. So anyway, there they are. So that was fun. So that completed the Tarte portion of my holiday sale shopping. So I've got this palette, lots of palettes, really fun palettes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 palettes here. So anyway, there we go. Okay, so if I actually 4 palettes and the Shape Tape, the 3 Shape Tapes. So anyway, this was a really fun purchase for me, and I think it was around $60 for all that, or something like that. Anyway, it was a good buy. They had, I think they were having a sale and then 30% on top of that or something. So I got good deals on all those. So these items are all on sale already. So they were, anyway, they were all sale items. So there's that. While I'm with you, another one of my favorite eyeshadows. I did pick these up on sale too. And I think I have a complete set of Natasha Denona. I got 2 more palettes. I think I have all her palettes pretty much now. So this one is I Need a Warm, which I have been gonna get it for like the last, ever since it came out. So 6 months maybe, I don't know. And I finally just broke down and got it. Natasha Denona actually had a sale on their website. And so I went and got it there. So it's hard to get these palettes on sale. So being able to get it on sale, I took advantage of that. So this is the I Need a Warm. Beautiful palette. It has a lot of shimmers in it. And I love it. I love Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes. So I can't, it's just fun to know I have all her palettes, and I do use them. I switch around with these and use these all the time. So anyway, there's the I Need a Nude. And so I'm glad they had that little sale so I could get it cheaper than the $69 price. So I think I still spent around $50 on it, but it's better than the $69. So now the next one I got this at Kohl's, and this was, I don't know, I should have looked this up before the filming. I'm not sure when this palette came out. It's one I haven't really seen. This is called the Glam palette. So I don't know if it's a new palette or just, it's a beautiful palette. I don't know if it's new or if it's been out for a long time, but they had it on sale at Kohl's. And sometimes Kohl's, so the Sephora at Kohl's has different sales than at Sephora. This was actually like around $40 at Kohl's, and so I jumped on it. I'm like, it's a Natasha Denona for that price, I'm gonna get it. And I'm actually wearing it today. So here's the look I came up with. There's always, anyway, lots of different looks I could use, but it looks like I put my fingers in several of them to get the eye look I have. So it's a little bit faded down now, but anyway, so there's that. Happy to get those two and to complete my Natasha Denona collection. So you can tell they have a new one come out, right? So I don't know what it is, but I just love these palettes. So that was my other little sale from a couple different places. So anyway, let me know what you think, what I got. I'm curious what you think about Tarte. Have you tried it? Do you like the brand? Like I said, overall, it's one of my favorites because I just love all their products. So anyway, I'm happy with that purchase. So thank you for being here. I appreciate your support, and let me know what you think in the comments. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.